Hi, today I have a Titan padlock for you guys. It's in the package, and this one it's a Titan 4, what was the name, 842, but it's a nickel plated one. I have already picked a brass one, one like it was one of the first videos. One of the lock was like 40 years old and one was the new one, but I have never picked the nickel plated one. So you see Titan made in EU, that's Dom Titan Slovenia. So Titan is now it's owned by the Dom, it's owned by Dom with Domorph for security. Interesting. On this side you can see here is the 842 45mm nickel plated, and some other interesting things. Yeah, you can see, and there is like one guy saying that do not put oil, I think, and it's saying that you put WD-40. Interesting. It's in Slovenian, so I understand a bit. So yeah, let's open this one, and the unique thing is that this is how they package it, and you cannot see the keys. That's a very unique. So let's remove it. Let's do it like this. I think I can easily get one. Here's that packaging. Let me try to hopefully, yeah. You can easily remove it. Oh, this is packed with the key. Here's the packaging, and we don't need that one. And here's the lock. It's very beautiful. It's very shiny, and it's fingerprint magnet. But it's, let me see inside if, yeah, everything is nickel plated. And here's the key. Fantastic bidding. So 1 short, 2 short, 3rd long, 4th short, and 5th long. And usually, probably they're doing the same for 40 years. They're like the 2nd and the 4th one are, how it's called, are security pins, usually spools. And I'm trying to find my tension tool. Probably I'm going to go with a Viper insert if I find that one. If not, I'll try to go with a smaller bottom of the keyway. But let's try top. Usually I'm doing this top of the keyway. It's a bit harder for me to hold it like that. So this is like going to be very tricky, plus my cut finger, it's in the way. So yeah, let's start picking this one. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 small click, and now we are immediately in some kind of a deep fall set. So now we know it's hopefully 2, yeah, 2 is binding. This is going to be a tricky one. Nothing there. 1, now it's binding, click from 1, again click from 2, back in that fall set. This is Yale style keyway. 4, 4. Come on, I overset everything. 5. Yeah, this is going to be very, very tricky. I have a couple of videos picking like multiple of them at once, and it's always tricky pick. 5 is probably set. Click from 2. 2 is set. 3. Now it's probably 4. No, because of 4th, 3rd very long pin. I don't think that it's going to be very tricky to pick this one. Probably need to get the deep hook. So that was 2, 1. I got really lucky with this bidding. Unbelievable. So 1, 2. Yes, we're open. It was 2 that it was catching. Oh, a tricky one, but that's good. So now we can see how I'm picking out of the box this one. It's a very interesting and very cool padlock, nickel plated and very unique. Oops, sorry, very unique look. I'm glad that I pick out of the box with this pretty amazing bidding. Very tricky one. So guys, as usual, the first and the second and the fourth was the security pin spools. So yeah, as usual, they're putting them on in the lock. So guys, that was the Titan 8. I forgot again. 842 45mm nickel plated, picked and gutted, not gutted, picked. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day and have a nice picking, and bye bye.